this video, I'm going to be cleaning James Bond's famous Aston Martin. Earlier today, we were called by James Bond to clean his Aston Martin.
Tino here.
Bond?
Listen, Tino, I need my car to be cleaned as soon as possible.
You can come and detail your car right now.
At this time of night?
Yes, shall I book you in?
Of course.
Okay, Mr. Bond, see you soon. So let's buckle up and get ready as we have an insane car waiting for us. We have just arrived and not a moment is wasted as we first assess the current condition of this legendary car. Silver is a great color when it comes to hiding the dirt, but once we look at the black parts, we see how dirty this car really is. So we shall commence with the wheels, utilizing the wheel cleaner to dissolve all of the dirt and brake dust before thoroughly scrubbing these wheels. I don't know why, but there's something so satisfying about cleaning wheels. Guys, are you a fan of James Bond? If so, which was your favorite movie? Prepare yourselves for something extraordinary. Tino Blue Snow Foam. If you find enjoyment in this video, do not forget to subscribe and turn on that bell icon. This Aston may be bulletproof, but it's not dirt proof, so we now have to perform the hand wash. For top-notch detailing products that keep your car looking immaculate, visit tinocarcare.com. The dirtier lower portions shall be hand washed last, ensuring a comprehensive cleanse before rinsing down the car. Did you know James Bond's car was specially made by Aston Martin specifically for the movie, and the design process was overlooked by the movie director Sam Mendes, who wanted this car to be iconic. With utmost care, we shall now dry the Aston Martin, ensuring a spotless finish. The trapped water is also vanquished. Next on the agenda is the glass cleaning, enhancing the overall clarity for Mr. Bond. We shall begin with the interior, employing a professional vacuum to work its magic. Every leather and plastic surface shall now receive a rejuvenating deep clean. Chaps, who do you think the new James Bond should be? Any shoe prints and mud will be extracted out of these carpets. We also grant this car an admirable shine using the Tino exterior detailer. Let us not forget about the tires. They shall receive a special shine to complete this astonishing detail. So here are your results. Enjoy. Appreciate that beautiful shine. James Bond is now ready to deal with some villains. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you'd like.